Excuse me? Is Pat on the engine with Cam?
I think so, yeah.
How come Cam doesn't bring the tank cars? Cam's supposed to pick up the tank cars.
No, buddy, that's not always the way, buddy.
Sometimes?
Sometimes, buddy.
How come Cam has to go to Clarkson yard, just the engine?
Because he's got to go get other cars, Steven.
So, Cam's supposed to bring the tank cars.
No, not all the time, buddy.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, buddy.
But do you think Melissa's at work?
She has to work. She's got to make money.
Like, where is Pat?
He is in the engine, Steven.
With who?
With Cam.